If you want a free, powerful email app on your Mac that gives you full control over your inbox, then Thunderbird might be exactly what you're looking for. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to download and install Thunderbird on your Mac the right way. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your Mac. You can use Safari, Chrome, or any browser you already have installed. Now go to the search bar and type Thunderbird, then press Enter. Make sure you click on the official website, thunderbird.net. This is very important. Always download software from the official website to avoid fake or harmful files. Once the website loads, you'll see a big button that says Download. The site usually detects macOS automatically. Just click the Download button. The file will now start downloading. It will come as a DMG file. Wait for the download to finish. Now open your Downloads folder. You'll see the Thunderbird DMG file there. Double-click the DMG file to open it. A new window will appear showing the Thunderbird app icon and the Applications folder. Now simply drag the Thunderbird icon into the Applications folder. This installs Thunderbird on your Mac. Once that's done, close the window and move the installer to the bin. Now open Finder, go to Applications, and double-click Thunderbird. If you see a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open, and that's it. Thunderbird is now successfully installed on your Mac. When you open it for the first time, you can add your email account by entering your name, email address, and password. Thunderbird will automatically detect most email settings for services like Gmail, Outlook, and others, and you're all set. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.